Hey guys, oh, I'm sorry, I turned the volume off. But yeah, hey guys, so today, this day is been a really hard session here, but we can get some more Groovepad. Okay, and then tomorrow we'll do Come Fly Away, and then let's do Touching the Light, because touching the light is the light bulb. See? See the light bulb? You can't actually see it, but it's right there. So, we better get this party started. You know, I'm wearing my little outfit. It looks pink and stylish. This is my rare 90s outfit, but I don't even have to say that to y'all. It's actually a little clustery, but yeah. No way. I'm serious. I don't like that little product. She usually puts it on her face. No, you better stop interrupting me, you little stupid ad. I'm just getting so upset right now. Even though my underwear is showing it. Ew, that's kind of disgusting. Anyways, better get started. Since I'm already looking a little stylish and divine, period. I'm highly looking a little fancier. Alright? I don't want no nature made. That's only for biotic. Keep having that, but that type of stuff's gonna make your stomach look a little inked up. Here we go. Oh yeah, I crushed lesson 1. That's the basics. Only if you can determine my entire general on this one. Alright? You know I stink real bad, but I feel a little sweaty entirely. Yeah. Come on. Gotta get this ad out of here. I can't think ads. I'll be highly generous. Lesson 2. Even though the volume's too loud, actually, I just have my earphones on. What's the plan about this? What is the real meaning of this? Better act right, sister. Little sussy bussy. Uh-oh. You okay? Yeah, I'm good. Aren't you got your little 90s outfit? No, this is the 80s. This is 80s. Keep. I don't know what this is. 80s keeps alive. Right? 80s keep alive. That's the word that you just said. Alright, ready for lesson 3? Oh, yes. Lesson 3, here we go. Okay, we complete lesson 3. Oh, yeah. Okay, clearly we can have a mindset of this. Huh? Go. Go. Go back. Alright. Lesson 4. Oh no. Hold on. Why do ads have to keep interrupting me all the time? Clearly, it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense, too. We can ignore them. Ignore them. Okay. Yes! Told you, little hard-headed critter. I'm literally so thrilled. Oh my gosh, all you have to do is keep trying and don't fail or even struggle with it, okay? Okay. That's what I had to say. That's my point. Alright, lesson 5. Don't fail. Carefully. Imagine if you're turning on the light and then it reflects the electricity. What will it do? It tries to shock you. Oh, that's not cool. No, it's not actually. Yeah. Alright, lesson 6. Whoa, it's literally glitching. I'm so terrified. Can you believe how the day was worse? It was worse than ever. I don't know, but you need to keep in mind of your behavior. That doesn't even count. That proves little uncertainty. Yeah, it does. It's unpredictable and unattainable and not precisable. But still, yeah. Lesson 7. Almost finished. Okay, let's do it, baby. Okay, so lesson 8. I'm almost finished with this one. Can I even reduce this process very significantly? Yeah. Oh well, I gotta go. Oh yeah, I'm doing so good at this one. Even though the loops are actually going, those sound color coded loops are going a bit slow and a bit fast. But yay! Yay! Hey, okay, say yeah. Yeah, yeah. Do you think we can ace this process? Of course. That's exactly what I want to hear. Here we go. Hopefully this video is not a fail line. Okay. Pretty happy of your successful process and determination. I really am. I'm impressed of you. Yes. Alright, last one. And then we'll be all done. Here we go, baby. This is too easy for me to do this completely. Alright, we're finished for today. Alright. So the next one is Come Fly Away. I'll show you what Come Fly Away is. Yep, Come Fly Away. It looks like my whole entire parents are coming. Gotta do this a little fast. So Come Fly Away is gonna come on Friday, tomorrow, and we're gonna have the lessons. It's gonna be fun. And I'm gonna close it out. Close it out. It's drum and bass. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what song do you want me to do on Groovepad. So bye.